Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change the filter. I have a Rheem tankless water heaters, and the water filter is right there. See the cold water side, and this is the water filter. Before you do anything, first thing you want to do is turn off the machine. So you power off, and then you unplug it. And after that, you want to turn off both of the cold side and the hot side of the water. To turn it off, you see this is perpendicular, means this is open. To shut it, you go this direction here. Now the cold water is shut off. The next thing is shut off the hot water. Same thing. Okay, before you do anything to take out this, and make sure you have a water bucket handy, because when you open this, the water will come out. Okay, I'm gonna take out the water filter next. Okay, I'm gonna loosen this. Sometimes it's pretty tight. I use the plier. You use the plier to counterclockwise. Get a bucket. The water start coming out. Okay, so that's the water filter, and just pretty easy to get out. And look at that, there's not much. There's some blue, some yellow stuff on it. I'm gonna clean it and put it back. See, I turn the light on. You can see like there's certain deposit clogging the filter. So I need to find a way to clean off. So how this water filter works is the direct flow of the water is from the inside to the outside. So water came out from the street, go into the filter, and then go outside to the water heater. So that's why you see all the deposit is staying inside here. So we need to find a way to clean this. So I use the Q-tips to clean the inside. See that? The dirt. Right there. So keep cleaning it. Don't push too hard, otherwise you must buy a new filter. See all the dirt? So I end up using 2 Q-tips. This is all the dirt come out. This is the second one. Side cleaner. So after it's all clean, I put it back in. So I'm putting this back in. When you hand tie it, don't use any tool. Tie it until you can't tie anymore. Now turn on the water, the cold water side. This is off. Do slowly. To the rush of the water. Do slowly. Don't do too quick, otherwise it damage the slowly. Check for any leak. Dry in the water. And also after that, turn on the hot side, the same thing. And don't turn on the machine yet to purge all the air. So I'm going to turn the water to the hot side to purge out the air if there's any. So until there's no old air coming out. Again, check for any leak. No leak. So now we can plug this back. And turn on the power. And that's it.